Hey guys, it's another unboxing. Might have seen from the last video. It is, but in case you haven't, hooray! Now I am kind of sick, but we're gonna get this on anyway. This is a 2009 release. I have had this for a year now, and I haven't opened it yet. But I have seen all the movies except for the last one. And I just never had appreciated it that much before. So, hold on, let me get my tripod. Alright. We have the Lilo and Stitch to this Big Wave edition. Not technical difficulties in this one video. As you can tell on the bottom, it's Lilo and Stitch. Then at the top, if you can see it, there's David and Stitch, and it's 2 disc set. Disney movie, is that still alive? Disney DVD, Lilo and Stitch, 2 disc Big Wave edition. Oh, it does have fast play. I was just about to say it didn't say it on there, but now it does. Did anyone remember fast play? Look, there's Stitch. Probably too blurry to see that. But I will read it out. Get ready for the wildly original story about an independent little girl named Lilo and her adopted alien puppy. The mischievous Stitch, a runaway genetic experiment from a faraway planet, after crash landing on Earth. Stitch wrecks HAVOC on the Hawaiian island, but he also learns about loyalty, friendship, and ohana, the Hawaiian tradition of family. The bonus features include deleted scenes, two music videos, I think, interactive behind the scenes, story of Stitch. I might have seen that. And then stuff down here. Fun fact, Lilo, I've actually got another movie here. But I don't have the third. I don't. But that's Lilo. And she's also the girl that crawled out of the TV in the ring, apparently. I've never seen that movie, and I don't want to. But as you can tell, it is a 2009 release, like I said. So let's get this thing opened up. For the first time in a year. And go subscribe to Smurf Vlogs, because he's the one that I saw react to the movie, and that's why I started liking it again. So go subscribe to Smurf Vlogs. He makes great reactions. Man, is it a pain. In the comments, let me know if you've seen the movie, any of the movies, or the TV series. I'm currently on season 1. Season 1, episode, I think 12. Bear with me, people, but I'm gonna have to rip it. What do I use? There we go. I can't believe I've had this for a year and I never bothered to open it. Well, but then again, it would get messed up and people would hate me on YouTube. And I probably wouldn't watch it and I'll probably end up giving it away. Which I don't plan on doing because this is now my favorite movie of all. Oh no, it's one of these. Don't you just hate those movies where you open it and it just kind of like sticks to the side? Hopefully that's not happening here. Oh. I think it's just... Oh, no. Please don't stick on Stitch. Wow. That is a perfect... Oh, come on. Well, pretty much perfect. You just got your standard DVDs over here. Lilo and Stitch. It's got the runtime, which is 85 minutes. You got this thing in 2009. Weird. This thing should be from 2009, not it said. And Lilo and Stitch 2-disc Big Wave Edition. It's got... Oh, this must be the special features. Bye.